Change Windows July 8, 10 system language, welcome screen, login, etc. Changing an administrator user language is pretty straightforward, but it does not change the language of the boot screen, welcome screen, login screen, etc. Pretty much anything that's not on the desktop remains in the original language of the installation, so it can look really ugly, for example, having a menu label in Spanish, and the menu items in English, etc. How to change that? I've googled this for hours and could only find answers about how to change the user language, which is completely irrelevant for this issue.
There is a great, but not really obvious option that can do this. It will work for Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Here are the steps. Open Control Panel. Open Region. Open the Administrative tab. Click the button Copy Settings. On this screen you can copy your current language, but of course, make sure your user language is set to the one you want to use everywhere, to the system account, which will cause everything to show up in the language you choose. You also have an option to set it as default for new users. Changing the settings will require a system restart. This answer is inspired by Carrie's answer on 7 forums.
You type your password and log in. Windows tells that you type incorrect password. You change the input language to English and log in again. You do so many times a day. W10 welcome screen always have an input languages of your last active window. This is not enough to copy settings, as it is instructed in another answer here. You have also switch on a different input method for each app window setting. For Windows 10 after 2018, Start is greater than Settings, the gear icon right above the power icon. Time and language is greater than language, in the left bar, is greater than keyboard. Select, let me set a different input method for each app window, checkbox. For Windows 10 between 2016 and 2018, Control Panel is greater than Clock, Language, and Region is greater than Language. Advanced Settings, in the left bar. Select, let me set a different input method for each app window, checkbox. I would prefer to have let me set a different input method for each app window unchecked, but Microsoft doesn't give us a chance.
You keep the tab, and you can try.